morning children. Welcome to online class. Class 3. Subject Science. Unit 3. On topic Plants are nature's gift. In our previous class, you learnt about parts of the plant and their functions. From that, I will ask few questions to you. Can you write the answer? Yes. Take a rough note and write the answers for the following questions. The questions are: question number 1. Dash grows under the soil. Question number 2. Dash have fibrous root. And third question, dash supports the plant. And fourth question, dash have thin and weak stem. Now, shall we discuss the answer? Yes. First one, root. And second answer is grass. And third answer is stem. And fourth one is coriander. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the important part of the plant, that is leaves. Leaves originate from the surface of the stem. It is flat, thin and green. Leaves of different plants have different shapes, size and colors. Some leaves have even a specific smell. Now look at the picture. This is the structure of leaf. The leaf has the following parts. They are petiole, apex, lamina and midrib. What is petiole? The stalk that attaches the leaf blade to the stem. Now apex, outer end of a leaf that is opposite the petiole. Now functions of leaf. The leaf doing the two major functions of the plant. The first one is photosynthesis and the second one is transpiration. Now what is photosynthesis? A leaf prepares food for the plant with the help of water, carbon dioxide and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Hence, leaves are called the food factory of the plant. Now, second function, transpiration. The loss of water in the form of gas happens through the tiny pores in the leaves. This process is called transpiration. It gives cooling effect to the plant. Next, leaves of some plants are edible and rich in nutrients. For example, greens and cabbage. Next, now tell me the answer children. Which is the colorful parts of the plant? Yes, flowers. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. They are of different shape, size, colors and smell. A flower develops from the bud. The soft and brightly colored part of a flower is called petal. The green part that lies under the petal and supports it is called sepal. The middle of the flower has two parts called the stamen and pistil. Now, functions of the flower. Flower develops into fruit. Flowers help the plant to reproduce. Some flowers are edible. Example, banana flower and cauliflower. Some flowers are used to make garland. Okay. Next, fruits and seeds. Fruit is the fleshy part of the plant. The fruits are developed from the flowers. Most fruits have seeds. Some fruits have only one seed. For example, apricot, mango, coconut and peach. Some fruits have many seeds. Example, papaya, watermelon and orange. Some are seedless. Example, pineapple and banana. New plants are grown from seeds. This is the function of the seeds. Okay children, once again we can recap. Which is the kitchen of the plant? Leaves. Correct. What are the two main functions of the leaf? Photosynthesis and transpiration. Next. Which is the colorful parts of the plant? Flowers. Now, name the fruits which have only one seed. What are they? Mango, coconut, peach. Okay, cuties. Now for you homework. Make a leaf art as you like. Once again I will repeat. Make a leaf art as you like. Thank you.